Tired of complicated payment integrations that send your users running? In this video, we'll show you how to set up a PayPal developer account so you can seamlessly integrate secure payments into your apps and websites. First, head over to developer PayPal.com, that's developer.paypal.com. Look for the Sign Up Login button, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click on it. You will be directed to a page where you can either log in with your existing PayPal account or sign up for a new one. If you don't have a PayPal account, click on the Sign Up button. Choose the Business Account option. This is necessary for accessing developer tools and APIs. Enter a valid email address that you want to associate with your developer account. This email will be used for important notifications and updates. Create a strong and secure password. Make sure it meets the specified requirements, like containing a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Fill out the required business details, including your legal business name, business phone number, and address. Be accurate and consistent with your information. Read through the PayPal Developer Agreement and Privacy Statement. If you agree, check the box to accept the terms and conditions, and then click on the Agree and Continue or similar button. Congratulations, you've successfully created a PayPal developer account. You can now explore the dashboard and start using the available APIs and tools to integrate PayPal into your projects. Good luck.